Cosrx Retinol 0.1% cream is a highly praised skincare product known for its exceptional anti-aging benefits. Packed with dermatological ingredients, it's a fantastic choice for those looking to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles while achieving smoother, firmer, and more youthful skin. The star ingredient here is retinol, a potent form of pure vitamin A, known for its ability to improve skin texture, reduce wrinkles, and enhance skin firmness. Alongside retinol, this cream includes 1% panthenol, which not only helps protect your skin but also keeps it well moisturized. Super vitamin E, tocotrienol, is another key component, effectively combating signs of aging, while adenosine contributes to skin firmness and the reduction of fine lines. Using this cream is a breeze. Just apply a pea-sized amount as the final step in your skincare routine, preferably at night. For daytime use, remember to follow it up with SPF 30 plus sunscreen to shield your skin from UV rays. It's essential to conduct a patch test on your body before applying it to your face, especially if you have sensitive skin. This product is gentle and suitable for even the most sensitive skin types. It's dermatologist tested, hypoallergenic, and cruelty-free, which means no animal testing. Furthermore, it's free from parabens, sulfates, and phthalates, so you can trust the quality and safety of the skincare gem. Many satisfied customers have sung praises for this cream. They appreciate its great value, the radiance it brings to their skin, and the noticeable effects on fine lines and wrinkles. Some users have noted that it leaves their skin looking brighter, more youthful, and healthier, while also feeling incredibly soft. One standout feature of this retinol cream is its creamy texture, which makes it particularly suitable for use around the eyes. Even beginners who are new to retinol can comfortably introduce this product into their skincare routine. It's gentle on sensitive skin, providing both hydration and light exfoliation without the dryness and patchiness often associated with stronger retinoids. However, it's worth mentioning that while many people love this product, some find its scent a bit off-putting, describing it as reminiscent of onions. Despite this, the overall consensus is that the results far outweigh any potential drawbacks. In short, this Retinol 0.1% cream by Cosrx is a valuable addition to your skincare routine, effectively combating the signs of aging, all while maintaining Cosrx's high standards of quality and skin friendliness. Whether you're new to retinol or simply seeking a gentle yet potent anti-aging solution, this cream appears to be an excellent choice. Thanks for watching.